Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Zelle to transfer money on Bank of America. You can go ahead and just launch the Bank of America app, and then what you do, you come to the bottom navigation bar, you click on Pay and Transfer, okay? And from here you get different options. You get Pay Bills, Zelle, and Wire. I want you to just choose Zelle. It's integrated into the Bank of America app. You tap here, Zelle, and you can either send or receive money with Zelle, okay? You can even do split. So you come here, let's say we want to, send money and to transfer, click on send, and you can choose from either of these recipients, or you can add your own in your recipient. You could come here, tap their name, phone or email, or you could use the QR code option right here. Once you've chosen your recipient, and then all you need to do is just enter the amount you want to send, okay? And then click on continue, just choose the account you will be sending with, and the payment date. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.